I first heard that we're gonna work on this project, I was quite surprised because we were still first year. I didn't think we would have such a good opportunity in interacting with professionals from the architecture field.
But being able to build a real model in my year one at the early stage is actually really rewarding, because at first I'm really scared at starting to build a model in a really early stage.
For Annabelle and Yolanda, stepping out of the classroom and into the real world of architecture happened on day one.
This project is from the ASD, the Architectural Service Department. So we got to propose our ideas for building a pavilion there. After we propose our idea, we may get the chance to realize this structure. So it's actually a really big project and a really good opportunity to really step into this industry and actually realizing our design's ideas.
Collaborating directly with government departments means swapping hypothetical assignments for genuine public projects. To understand how structures harmonize with their environment, the first-year students visited a studio in Guangzhou.
Earlier this year, we went to Guangzhou as a study trip with our classmates and professors. From this trip, when we were working in the studio, I learned how to exactly design a pavilion. How do we align the pavilion to match the environment by doing site analysis?
UABB is a really big project that you have to present your ideas in front of professions from different industrial fields. So the project this time allows us to prepare the courage or even the way you communicate when explain your ideas to the professions. Actually, making from scratch allows us to really understand if my design is able to balance the structure of the design, if it's practical. I'm really excited to make more models from scratch because it allows me to realize that my ideas can be presented in reality. Allow me to understand more about my architect.
From client briefs to physical construction, they are already discovering exactly what it takes to bring an idea to life.